Hi all, today let's see the editorial analysis of the topic related to NRF, that is National Research Foundation. This topic comes under governance or government policies in your GS paper 2. Okay, coming to the topic. In United States, there is a popular independent agency called NSF, National Science Foundation. All the scientific research, innovations, patents, monetization of research of all the 50 provinces of United States are managed under one umbrella called NSF. But what about India? We have Department of Science and Technology, which is under the direct purview of Ministry of Science and Technology, that regulates research activities throughout the country. Of course, there are pros and cons in terms of administration, fund allocation, etc. But the good news is, like NSF in United States, India is also going to adapt NRF, that is the National Research Foundation, that will cover and regulate research to innovation in an unified manner. Before we get into NRF, let's analyze the research position in India as well as in the rest of the world. You know some data. India ranks third in overall scientific publication. Similarly, India holds third rank in terms of number of students pursuing PhD. These are all good indicators, right? But there are some concerning data too. The citation rank of India is 9. You know, citation means the number of researchers referring the other researchers' work. In patent filings, India holds 6th rank only. In 2022 last year, just 0.65% of our GDP is spent on R&D, that is research and development, which is much lower than the overall world average of 1.8%. The author further says, the real research always starts with a problem statement, which should be funded through a government or private agency. That's the basic step. When the optimum solution for the problem statement is obtained, protect that research idea as a patent. That's the second step. That research work is next published as scientific paper for the dissemination of knowledge, for inviting open discussion about research process and idea. That's the third step. Finally, it can be monetized through royalty or license or MOU with industries or startup. Actually, this is the real research pathway. That is 4P model, PPPP, which means problem statement, patent, publish and prosper. Most of the scientifically advanced institutions all over the world is following this strategy. But in India, not all research institutions or agencies are adopting this model. Mostly, the research organization and institutions are still following the old PP, that is 2P model, publish or perish. The author insists that this should change in a larger scale. Plus, in India, the funding is mostly provided by Department of Science and Technology, but unfortunately, it does not have the links of all the ministry and the variety of stakeholders. Thus, in order to get the funding successfully, the researchers here are narrowed down their problem statement without a multidisciplinary research attitude, and that's why solution of research is impacting very less in our society. The real research finds solution to a problem, but currently in India, it is mostly like solutions looking for a problem. Also, industry-academia partnership is not yet matured in our country. That's why innovations from research is quite less. Anyhow, the good news is to overcome these problems and to have a healthy research ecosystem of global standards, NRF is the key for India. Its merits are, it is a single umbrella that encompasses all the stakeholders like private, public, and its pool of resources, expertise at both the central and state level, which the researchers can make use of it. It creates a platform to facilitate research and innovation in an easy to collaborate manner. Apart from that, the author suggests few important things should happen through NRF. The important point is, experts should take final decision of funding rather than the bureaucrats. And another important point is, hereafter, the percentage of GDP towards NRF should be increased to cover all types of research. Also, collaboration among the research agencies, universities, and even the school level should be facilitated to strengthen the roots of Indian research ecosystem. This is what the author says about NRF in this article. Hope this video gives some insight about NRF. So, support us through your like, comments and share. Of course, subscription too. See you in another video. Thank you so much for your patience.